Natto is essentially fermented soybeans. The fermentation process involves bacteria turning carbohydrates into acids or alcohol. Bacillus subtilis is the bacteria used to ferment soybeans into natto. While natto is a staple in eastern Japan, it is less popular in the West. Typically consumed with rice, tofu, miso, and fish for breakfast, natto is also a common snack in Japanese schools. You can usually find natto in the tofu section of grocery stores, near miso paste and similar items. Its texture, which can be gooey and sticky, might be off-putting to first-timers. Despite its unique texture, natto has a savory flavor with hints of salt and barbecue, depending on the type you purchase. While it is an acquired taste, many people grow to love it. In addition to its rich nutritional profile, natto offers a variety of health benefits that make it a valuable addition to any diet. Here are 10 incredible health benefits of natto. Heart health. With zero cholesterol and high potassium content, natto promotes heart health. The dietary fiber helps keep arteries clear of fat, ensuring healthy blood flow to and from the heart. Bone strength. Natto contains nearly 200% more vitamin K than cheese and significant amounts of zinc and calcium. Vitamin K helps the body retain and absorb calcium, reducing bone density loss as we age. Probiotics. The fermentation process introduces beneficial bacteria into natto, making it one of the most powerful probiotic foods for gut health. Skin benefits. The nutrients in natto, including vitamin C and iron, contribute to clean, oxygenated blood, reducing sunspots and wrinkles for a youthful appearance. Digestion. The combination of probiotics and dietary fiber in natto supports a healthy digestive system, protecting the gut from diseases and infections. Weight loss. Natto's dietary fiber, zero cholesterol, and probiotics make it ideal for weight loss, keeping you full longer and providing energy throughout the day. Natto is an excellent source of iron, beneficial for those with iron deficiency. It helps maintain healthy hemoglobin levels and keeps the mind and body energized, particularly for pregnant women. Blood purification. Rich in vitamin B2 and linoleic acid, natto helps purify the blood and absorb nutrients efficiently, promoting adequate oxygenation throughout the body. Protein. Natto provides 18 grams of protein per 100 gram serving, making it a great meat substitute for vegans, similar to tempeh and tofu. Vitamin C. As a potent antioxidant, vitamin C in natto boosts immunity and may help prevent serious illnesses like cancer. Including a serving of natto in your daily diet can strengthen your body from within, with gut health being a significant benefit of this dish. Beyond its impressive health benefits, natto is also known for its unique ability to produce natto kinase, an enzyme that supports cardiovascular health by helping to dissolve blood clots. Additionally, natto has a long history in Japanese culture, dating back over 1,000 years, and is often credited with contributing to the longevity and overall health of the Japanese population. Give natto a try and discover how this traditional food can be a modern-day superfood in your diet. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and nutritional insights. See you in the next video.